In the following, I want to teach you a series of basic tasks in PowerPoint. It is the easiest, basic, and simple task of working with PowerPoint, but it is repeating while using with PowerPoint. I find it necessary to explain it in this basic section. Creating new document or new presentation. You have some ways to create a new presentation. The first one is to click here in the quick access toolbar, and the shortcut key is Ctrl N. Another way is to click on new option, and as I explained a minute ago, create a blank page or select a ready-made theme of PowerPoint, and then you can select one from these categories, and if you couldn't find the template that you want, you can search your keyword here, and you should be connected to the internet to use this template, which are for Microsoft company. Another thing which is simple but repetitive is opening the PowerPoint documents. That is called open. For doing this, if you activated the tool in the toolbar, here you can click on this icon or use shortcut Ctrl O. If you click on this icon, you will be transferred to file menu in open section, and as I explained previously, select the file which you saved in your computer and open it, or you can use the shortcut key Ctrl O, and of course if it is active on open, as I explained, in the folders that you have used before or other presentation file which you have already opened, you can select one of those and work on it. But another thing you do when working with PowerPoint software is adding new slides or deleting them. To create a new slide in this section, I mean the slide section where you like to add a new slide, you can click once to display these lines here, and then from the home tab you can click on this key, and when you click on it, a new blank slide will be created for you. But if you want to have a new slide with a specific layout, you can click on this menu, that different layout display for slides, and you can select each one you like, and your new slide will be created based on that slide. And a shortcut key for creating new slides, Ctrl M, which you can use. Or where you want to add your slide, you can have a right click there and choose new slide. Another point which is worth mentioning in the slide is section parts. To do this, you can have a right click on slide section and select add section. After the select a name for the group of your slides. By doing this, you can have a categorized slide. For example, these 6 slides were put in the first group. And after adding new slide, like adding this slide, I have right click, select one add section, and I choose a new name for it and put it in the second group. And by this way you can categorize your slide in different sections, and in this way your presentation file will be organized. For deleting each slide, you can select it and press the delete on the keyboard, or have a right click on your slide and select delete slide. And the last thing that I want to teach you is saving your presentation file. If you have already saved your presentation file somewhere in your computer, click on this save icon or press the shortcut key Ctrl S on your keyboard, your PowerPoint file will be saved in that drive with the name you have already saved. And for doing this, you can also use the file menu and save option. But if you did not save your PowerPoint and does not have name, you can use save as from the menu file, and then by selecting browse icon you can choose a place, and here you can change the name of your file. And in the save as selection, you can select the suffix of the file, for example, PowerPoint presentation, or you want to save it with PDF format or video format of your PowerPoint. There are these formats here like GIF, JPEG, PNG, and you can select other formats that are here and click on save, that your file with a chosen name be saved in a place you have selected.